So how does mortgage insurance work in Canada? What are the eligibility criteria on that?
So this is at the really the essence of what we do at the Real Mortgage Insurance Genius, and that is, excuse me, the lending industry. The typically in Canada, the banking industry, Canadians love their banks, and the chartered banks had a built-in creditor insurance that they market as mortgage life insurance, mortgage disability insurance, mortgage critical illness insurance. Um, that particular insurance, in almost all cases, is overpriced, under-designed, and not portable if you move your mortgage later on. In addition to that, if you have any health problems or health issues, it's very easy to get kicked out from that insurance, the creditor insurance. And last but not least, because the creditor insurance is sold to you by somebody who isn't insurance licensed, whether that be, the bank personnel, or whether that be, a professional mortgage insurance broker whom we do a lot of business with. The fact of the matter is they're not insurance licensed. They don't really have a good grasp of what it is that they're recommending. And chances are they have one size fits all solution. Whereas when you're dealing with an independent insurance professional like us, we have access to dozens of insurance companies across Canada and can design a solution for you that is more cost efficient, much better plan design, portable if you move your mortgage. And perhaps the most important thing is you don't have to worry about post-claim underwriting. There was a tremendous documentary done on CBC Marketplace in 2007. It's still on YouTube. It's called In Denial, and it talks about the cracks in the pot, if you will, of the creditor mortgage insurance industry. I really strongly recommend anybody look it up. It's called In Denial. It's on YouTube, and it talks about creditor insurance and what a poor choice it is.
So that's an interesting point. I didn't know that the individuals selling these particular policies are not necessarily well versed or qualified to be selling them. So I guess from a consumer standpoint, it's probably tough to go into that situation knowing that you're getting a good product if the person that is advising you on it doesn't really have any expertise in that. So that is a little scary, I guess, to hear that for sure.
It would be the equivalent of somebody going to their bank and asking them for accounting and tax advice.
Right.
They're not a CPA. They're not even booked. Resembling, adequate tax advice. It befuddles me how anybody could think that that's the thing. So insurance is a very highly specialized industry and field, as is accounting, as is estate planning. So the reality is, if you want to get the best ultimate coverage, you should deal with an independent professional in that regard, I believe.
Yeah, that makes sense to me because, like you say, there are different levels of so-called accountants out there. You can go to the mom and pop bookkeeping shop and they can put together a corporate tax return for you, but are you getting the same level of expertise getting that return done versus coming into, our firm? Are you getting the same level of expertise talking to, Joe Blow banker versus going in talking to Dan and getting a specialized plan that deals with your specific needs? I think it's probably pretty obvious which road would probably be best for you and your family going forward. So good point.
Yeah, exactly.